data to make better decisions and deliver exceptional experiences? Sogolytics offers a powerful suite of research tools designed to streamline your feedback management, from design to distribution to analysis. Let's take a closer look at our online survey tool. Break down your data silos and bring your team together in the platform that's secure to the core. When you're ready to get answers, pick your perfect project type and dive in. Start from a template or drag and drop questions. Streamline the participant experience to boost engagement. And make sure your branding looks great too. Time to launch? Go live in style. Pick your channels and connect with your audience where and when they prefer. Email invitations or shareable links, social media or passwords. Keep things moving, track participation, and even send reminders to those who haven't yet responded. As results roll in, run custom reports and drill down deep on key segments and drivers in your data. Need to follow up right away? Integrated workflows make it easy to close the loop. Need to share results? Download a presentation deck to go, or keep an eye on trends over time with dynamic links. Sogolytics makes data management and privacy simple and safe. Add on 24/7 support every day of the year, and it's everything you're looking for. Get a demo or a free trial today and see for yourself. Sogolytics, because experience matters.